I don't know if we have more than one used copperhead gasket.
Yeah, I don't remember anymore.
We're gonna use Scooby Dog. All right, we're mocking this thing up some more. We still gotta figure out what the clunking noise is. I would say just put the heads on without any gasket. That way you know if there's any interference. Because that's our clearance. Where's the other head?
Over here.
Oh, got it buried over there. Scooby in the way. Scooby, you're in the way. Yeah, you. Yeah, Scooby doesn't like all banging and farting around here. Yeah, that forklift was banging and shooting ducks out of it. He didn't like that at all. All right, where's my thing at? Get the old tripod out. Get all that negative feedback about it. Oh, that comes from me. That's all right. Ooh, look nice. Look how shiny that is. What grit do we use that at?
We went to 220 on it.
220? Yeah, it looks like it.
Come on. Move, move, move.
More head bolts?
Behind you on the bag. Icicle. Go on.
You don't want to move.
Go on.
Scooby ain't gonna move. You know it's better. Trying to get some, you got double up washers on here, and we're not using double up washers. Do you think maybe they're too short? I'll let you bottom out. Killing the video. Here's the shoulder shot. Okay, which way we rotate? That way or that way, you remember?
Yep.
Is that the way we want?
Yep. That's why we have double washers.
Yes. You noticed.
Hello.
Yo.
Yeah, I just wanted to say, thank you.
Okay.
I really appreciate that. I'll put it to good use, I swear. And if you ever want it or need it,
Don't lose it.
well, I won't lose it, that's for sure. You know, as long as the earth doesn't swallow me up, I'll be fine.
We're on the
Yeah.
friend of lease deal. It's $1 a year for however long it is.
Yeah,
So when he dies, I get it back.
okay, fair enough. Whichever comes
And I'm
first,
gonna
me or
live
him.
forever.
Hey,
When we get a chance, email me over your information so I know where it's at. That's your department. Send me info.
I will.
well, I probably got a business card.
And send me pictures.
You
of
have a
it.
business card?
Well, we're not in business around here. And send me pictures of what you're making with it.
Yeah.
So I looked on the, you know, Pete goes, so what's his address? And I go, well, it's on 25th and Imperial.
running
And
over
so I Googled it, right? And there's a picture of your bike when you're at Brown Field with my steerman.
Doing a bird out.
I was like, woohoo! Yeah.
You might as well have one.
All right. Aviation. We don't work on airplanes.
No, but I do occasionally.
We work on boat anchors around here. In airplanes. All right. So you twist it the right way.
Yeah.
Clunk. Cams are in it too. They're going up and down, aren't they?
They are.
Yeah, little push rod thingies are going up and down, or such as they are. The valve stems.
And I don't hear any nicking from anything hitting the aluminum.
It's going up and down and not hidden.
That's a good thing.
So what's your
Stunk.
clearance? We have that much clearance.
That's within factory tolerances, right?
No, that's how much valve the piston clearance we're running. About 50-60 on that one.
That one might be a little loose.
No, that's the clearance above the valve to the head, not the lifter. We built in clearance on purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a little more in exhaust. See how the difference in exhaust is?
Yeah.
And the intake was over here. See, looks like about half.
About half.
It's not, but it looks like it.
I have a head gasket. in
Camera's
that one.
not showing any of this.
Hey, Keenan, I will see you later. I'll talk to you later.
All right.
I'll be
Bye-bye.
back.
You heading back down to Mexico now?
No, I'm going to Utah next, and I'm coming back.
Okay.
And then I go to Mexico for a month, and I come back for a month.
Now remember-
I don't know if I'm going to be here in Utah.
Oh, you broke my sign.
Yeah.
Remember, we want videos of the bike doing burnouts in front of your driveway. You're on gravel, so you should be able to do it.
Really?
You have to ride the bike at least once every 5 years.
Okay. I will. I've done that.
Yeah. uh-huh.
Okay.
All right. See you later.
Hey, I got my ATF tax stamp for my Thompson, so I put the shorter barrel on it. So
Put the top in the rack.
This is Utah. I can put a Thompson, a real gun, in my
Real
front
bike.
holster, and I'm still waiting for my 1911.
Well, you haven't got one yet?
Not yet.
Oh, it's like they're hard to come by.
They are. They stopped making them in 1945.
Well, that's you want the original one.
Well,
Yeah. So there's his bike right there. So that looks just like you there, Dave.
what?
That looks just like you.
Yeah, it does. Bye.
A couple years ago.
See you later.
Bye. So he's almost armed up. Hey, when we restore all the way 100%. Including armament. All right, so we got some clearances under here. Which one was open? Okay, there's the intake. So there's the clearance we're running. Right there on that one. So that should be about 60, I think, is what we're shooting for originally. Right now there's no head gasket in here, right? So it'll grow by 20. See how much more we get on this one. And as I recall, the valves were adjusted already. Top dead center's about there. See, there's the valve clearance. We might have more than normal valve clearances in there. I must have adjusted the back one.
Back one has a gasket, head gasket.
Yeah, that one's got some clearance now. Yeah, a little clearance. Okay, so the rear one's more real world. Those ones, the nuts were tight, I can adjust it by hand. So this is our actual running clearance right now. But there's no gasket in here, right? Yeah,
No, the back one has a gasket.
it does? Okay, so that is our real number there. So that's our real clearance. Why does the camera keep going off? And the other one over here. So you run more on the exhaust. We can only see the intake though. See, there's the intake clearance. Not that much. Now you got to put the spark plug in there and do the same thing and make sure the spark
Make sure
plug
it
don't
doesn't
hit.
hit.
So do we have a spark plug that we're running? We used to have one we were plugging up the hole. We lost our spark plugs. Yeah, we gotta make sure the electrode doesn't hit the valve. If it's so, your clearances change up on your plug gap. Then you gotta add washers to raise them up higher if they get in the way. Okay, so our mock-up looks good there. Now we gotta figure out what that clunking noise is that comes and goes. So we got to do it when repeated. Okay, now you got these are tightened up.
Yes.
So everything.
Not, I mean,
Yeah, but it's tight. Okay, so it all fit together like it's supposed to.
yep.
Okay, that's good. Doing our full mock-up here. Now we went ahead and clear coated this with the fancy ass coating. Oh, you used a lot of, I see. I think we're evaporating more than that. So there's our coating we're using. People want to know what we're using this stuff here. A lot of times you can't read that through the light. Cameras don't like going through plastic baggies on which we're using. There you go. That's what we're using. So it goes on a couple mil thick, which is only a couple thou. But nothing will stick to this now, and it won't corrode. So it should stay looking like this for about 10 years at least, if not longer. You're gonna let us know, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So after you're long gone and your son has the bike, he'll let me know.
That's right.
Okay. So we got the heat dissipant on this. And what we're going to do is when the whole motor's together, we're going to go ahead and spray the whole motor. And see what it looks like when we're all done. Then it should be this color everywhere. We did this first because we can't spray all the stuff around the bike if this is on. So the other one we didn't spray, you didn't spray the cylinders over here. Behind here. So the heat dissipant will have to be independently by itself. But it's already got a protective layer on it because that's the same stuff, more or less. Okay, so we're going to take this apart and see what our noise is, so we'll be back.